if you want to work on your own, work on your own. If you want to work with me, you may work with me. I'm going to back up to number 1. Okay, so AJ, this is lesson 13, and I'm going to try to also put in Bright Thinker for you the video of my introduction. So if you haven't seen that yet, you might want to stop and go watch that first and then watch this. Okay, so we're on 1A, and you guys, I just want you to tell me if you should multiply or divide. That's it. So you have to say, am I going from larger to smaller or smaller to larger? If it's larger to smaller, multiply. If it's smaller to larger, divide. Okay, so Laurelyn, what do you think about A? It's feet to inches. So would we multiply or divide?
Multiply.
That's right, because feet are larger than inches. Caleb, what do you think about B, going from years to days?
B,
Yep.
I think we should multiply.
Good, good. Zaf, are you working on your own or working with me?
I'm working with you.
Okay, what do you think for C, going from peck to quart? I don't really use peck, so I had to look it up and remind myself. I went back to a earlier lesson.
Multiply.
Yes, I found out that a peck is larger than a quart. Good. Maddie, are you working on your own? Yeah, okay. Okay, Laurelyn, how about D? That is cups to pints.
Pints.
So cups are smaller than pints because there's 2 cups in a pint. So am I going to divide or multiply if I'm converting from cups to pints? Divide or multiply?
Divide.
Yes, good job, because cups are smaller than pints. So I'm going to divide. All right. And Caleb, E, I'm going from hours to days.
E, hours to days, it would be divided.
That's right. Okay, it's Zaf. F, miles to yards. That's think about how big is a yard. That's 3 feet. And how big is a mile? A mile is a lot bigger than a yard. So if we're going from large to small, I think he might have got distracted by something. Anybody can say, what do you think for F?
Multiply.
Yeah, multiply, going from large to
Question,
small.
can I just put the first letter of multiply and divide in, like, for 1A, can I just put M?
How about instead of that, can you put the times symbol or the division symbol?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Okay, so good.
All right, I'm back. Sorry, I had to get something. It was really quick.
Yeah, no problem. Well, good then. I know I didn't give you guys a chance to finish multiplying on 2A. So maybe
Did I have
go
to do
ahead.
F?
We just did it, but you can tell me what you think. Miles to yards, what would that be?
Multiply.
Good. Okay, so let's jump to 2C, but you guys don't forget to go back and get your answers on 2A and B. Okay, on 2C, Laurelyn, step right, everybody write 1, 2, 3. And what would we do for 1? Multiply or divide on C. We're going from tons to pounds. So you have to say, am I going from large to small or small to large? What's larger, tons or pounds?
Tons.
Is that what you were going to say, Caleb? Yep. Yep. A ton is 2,000 pounds. So Laurelyn, if we're converting from a larger unit to a smaller unit, what will we do?
Multiply.
Good. So everybody under C, I hope you wrote 1, 2, 3. And after 1, put a little times symbol. Okay. And then what should we write for number 2? Number 2 is by how much times how much? Well, you have to ask, how many pounds are in a ton? Do you know, Caleb? 2,000. 2,000. So for number 2, everybody write 2,000. And then on number 3, go ahead and go for it. We're doing multiply, we're doing times 2,000. So it's 4 tons. So write 4 times 2,000. And Zaf, what's the answer? Oh, maybe he had to go do something again. It's okay.
Hello?
Oh, you got, what's 4
Wait.
times 2,000?
4 times 2,000.
Yep,
Okay, 8,000.
that's right. So you guys can write that up above for C. 4 tons equals 8,000 pounds. Okay, we're on to D. All right, Caleb, can you talk us through how to do D?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna do times.
Mhm.
So we'll write times for number 1.
Good, because years are bigger than months.
And then for 2, we would write 365.
If we were doing days, because there's 365 days in a year. But what do you think MO stands for?
MO months.
Months. So how many months are in 1 year?
12.
There you go.
So we'll put 12 for 2.
Mm-hmm.
And then for 3, we'll do 5 times 12.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And you guys can get that answer on your own. And put it up there and don't say it in the video. Okay, we're on to E. And how about Zaf? Could you talk us through E?
Okay. E, right? Quarts is, so first you have to divide,
Good, because quarts are small. Mhm.
and then 2, how many pecks are in 64?
Well, compare quarts and pecks. How many quarts are in 1 peck? So you might
8.
have to look. Good job. That's right.
So 64 divided by 8.
Got it. And we'll let people do that answer.
Question, what do we put for do 2?
8.
Okay.
Floralyn, can you talk us through F?
Huh?
F? What do you think we should do?
So first you multiply,
Mm-hmm.
and then for 2 you put 60, and then 9 times 60.
Very good. Very good. And I'm not saying that, I'm not wanting you guys to tell each other the final answers, but thank you for all that help with working it out. Okay, I think I'll let you guys work on your own now. So get the final answers for all of number 2. And then just let me know if you have any questions, and I'll let you guys work on your own now. Okay, let me know if you want some help.